Theoretical Paranormal Origins, a Scientific Exploration. Abstract. This article explores the concept of ribosomal DNA rDNA, its significance in understanding ethnic origins, and the speculative connections made by the Anunnaki theory. We delve into the origins of the Anunnaki narrative, its impact on modern esoteric beliefs, and the scientific scrutiny it faces. By examining the intersection of genetics, archaeology, and mythology, we aim to provide a comprehensive overview of these theoretical paranormal origins. Introduction. Ribosomal DNA rDNA is a fundamental component of cellular function, playing a crucial role in protein synthesis. This article examines the significance of rDNA in tracing ethnic origins and explores the controversial Anunnaki theory, which posits that extraterrestrial beings manipulated human DNA. We will also discuss the origins of the Anunnaki theory and its influence on contemporary beliefs about human origins. Ribosomal DNA rDNA. rDNA refers to the DNA sequences that encode ribosomal RNA or RNA, essential for protein synthesis in all living cells. These sequences are highly conserved and repetitive, found in clusters on specific chromosomes. In humans, rDNA clusters are located on chromosomes 13, 14, 15, 21, and 22. The primary function of rDNA is to form ribosome subunits, which are critical for translating genetic information into proteins. Ethnic origins and rDNA. Understanding ethnic origins involves studying genetic markers that trace lineage and ancestry. rDNA, due to its highly conserved nature, provides valuable insights into human evolution and migration patterns. Genetic studies have revealed that all modern humans share a common ancestry, with significant genetic diversity arising from historical migrations and interbreeding with archaic human species like Neanderthals and Denisovans. These genetic markers help trace the movement and intermingling of different ethnic groups over millennia. The Anunnaki theory. The Anunnaki theory, popularized by Zecharia Sitchin in his book The 12th Planet, posits that ancient Mesopotamian gods, known as the Anunnaki, were actually extraterrestrial beings from a planet called Nibiru. According to Sitchin, these beings genetically manipulated early humans to create a slave race for mining gold. This theory suggests that the Anunnaki altered human DNA, giving rise to certain genetic traits. rDNA theory and the Anunnaki. Proponents of the Anunnaki theory often link it to the concept of rDNA, suggesting that these extraterrestrial beings manipulated human rDNA to create modern humans. They claim that specific genetic markers, sometimes referred to as Anunnaki genes, can be found in modern humans. However, there is no empirical evidence to support these claims. Mainstream science does not recognize the existence of such genetic markers or any extraterrestrial intervention in human evolution. Origins of the Anunnaki theory. The Anunnaki theory originated from Sitchin's interpretations of ancient Sumerian texts and artifacts. Sitchin's work has been widely criticized by scholars for its lack of empirical evidence and speculative nature. Despite this, the theory has gained popularity in modern esoteric and alternative history circles, influencing contemporary beliefs about human origins and ancient civilizations. Scientific scrutiny and criticism. The Anunnaki theory and related claims about rDNA manipulation face significant criticism from the scientific community. Critics argue that Sitchin's translations and interpretations of ancient texts are often inaccurate and not supported by other scholars in the field. The lack of empirical evidence and peer-reviewed research further undermines the credibility of the Anunnaki theory. Mainstream archaeology and genetics trace human origins back to Africa around 200,000 years ago, with no evidence of extraterrestrial involvement. Conclusion. While rDNA plays a critical role in understanding human genetics and ethnic origins, the claims about its connection to the Anunnaki theory remain speculative and unsupported by scientific evidence. The Anunnaki theory, rooted in Sitchin's interpretations, offers an alternative perspective on human origins, but lacks empirical validation. Understanding human history requires a careful integration of genetic research, archaeological evidence, and critical analysis of mythological narratives.